See you later. Alright, what up, people? It is me. I am back. I know you've missed me. Alright, we're going to go over, first of all, a couple problems on writing the numbers in standard form. And as you know, standard form is the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, not in words. You don't write it out, you put it in numbers. And the first one we're going to go over is 3 and 9/10. First of all, we know it's a decimal number because it says the word and. And always tells us that we have a decimal. So we know we're going to have a decimal in it. Tenths means it's going to go out to the tenths place. And as you know, the tenths place is one place behind the decimal point. And everything in front of the word and is what goes in front of the decimal point. And all we have is the word 3. 3 and the 9/10. So the 9 has to be in the tenths place. Easy peasy, raw chicken squeezy. We have 78/100ths. Now, this ends in THS, which tells us it has to be behind the decimal point. And it's got to go out to the hundredths place, which is 2 places behind the decimal point. However, there's no word and. Since we have just 78/100ths, no word and, that means there's nothing in front of the decimal point. And we have 78/100ths. It needs to end in the hundredths place, so easy peasy lemon squeezy, 78/100ths. Number 10 says 59 and 1/1000. We have the word and tells us that's where our decimal point is. It's got to go out to the thousandths place, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. In front of the word and, we have the number 59. Y'all know how to write 59? 59 and the 1 has to be in the thousandths place. So the 1 goes here. Now obviously we can't leave the tenths and hundredths blank because that's just silly. So we put zeros to hold that place value. Then we have 59 and 1/1000. Piece of cake. Let's look at a second part. Don't go anywhere. I'm still here. At least for another 10 minutes. Alright, the second one says, use the following numbers to show the value of each digit. We have 1, 8, 5, 6, 0.4, 3, 9. And we want to know the value of each digit. So first it says, for problem 11 it says, the value of 9 is 12. The value of 4 is, and 13 says the value of 5 is. Alright, so you just have to know your place value chart in order to do this, which you all have it in your journal already, and if not, it's on the wall right over here. So look right over here. Look, look, look. Except it might be backwards in the video, so I might need to point over there. I'm not sure. It's on the wall by the door. Alright, the value of the 9. The 9 is behind the decimal point. The tenths, the hundredths, the thousandths. So the value of the 9, you're either going to write 9/1000ths, or you're going to write it in standard form as 9/1000ths. The value of the 4. The 4 is one place behind the decimal point. So that's going to be written as either in words 4/10ths, or if you just use numbers, 4/10. Again, we're finding out the value of it. This is the tenths. How many tenths do we have? 4. The value of the 5. The 5 is over here to the left-hand side of the decimal point, which means our 5 is worth, it's in the tens place, so it would be either 50 or 50, written like that. Again, think of that as money. If you have 5 tens, you have 50. Boom, shakalaka. That's the bottom line, because Mr. McMurdo said so. And that's the end of today's lesson. Take this out, this paper I gave you, you're going to cut it out, and you're going to glue it into your journal. And we'll just say it's decimal notes, decimal example problems, whatever you want to call it, decimal notes, something like that. All right, so you're going to glue that in, put it in your table of contents. Love y'all.